It's so rocky, and then not like a rocky like the normal way.
Yeah, no.
Rock is a small, but this one is like a meringue. Meringue.
It's like
That's what I want.
away.
If the water starts going out to sea, there may be start running inland. Yeah, exactly. So like before tsunami, like you can't see water there because every water goes this way. It'll make the super huge wave and then come back. So far, like it's fine. You're fine. You're totally fine. I mean, you're Superman. You can. You're. What?
I just saw a really big bug. I don't know what kind it was, but it went like.
Yeah.
What?
What?
I don't know.
What?
Really
Big what?
big bugs.
Big bugs?
They're like.
I don't like
Under
bugs.
the rocks.
Yeah. Like insects around the ocean, the seaside is like so alien. I don't know, just saying it just to make her feel better, but doesn't make sense. You know that what I mean? It's like weird looking, isn't it? I wonder how they became like this shape. Probably like they were in the ocean, right? Anthony, 戻ったいいね。さあ、戻ったよ。I'm in the ocean, not in the ocean. And like it's kind of like a unique place にいます。綺麗ね。
This is really beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
And like crazy looking.
Mm.
It just feels like the most dangerous beach I've ever been to.
Yeah, if you're just tripped, like if you fall off somewhere, like doesn't matter where you tripped, you will be injured. Have you put on your magic? Oh, Kila, thank you for telling me that. What?
It's just a rock.
Yeah, I know. It's aliens.
Bugs are like
Thank you,
bugs.
Kila. I forgot.
Bugs from
Thank
the
you for
past.
telling me that.
They're like ancient bugs.
Yeah. Emily, can you help me to
Oh, put the thing on?
put things on?
I don't want to put this down and forget it.
Don't forget it.
Because that's what happened last time.
That's so funny. You're funny. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Kila. Okay. Now it's working. Okay. So now you can't hear the super like windy sound, right? Niambo Righty! Thank you. Welcome, Raiders. Much more better. Thank you, Kila. Well, I'm familiar with that kind of a transparent uploader. I have that. I see. It's really easy to buy in Japan. Like every convenience store has when it rains. Thank you, Kila. And thank you, Neonbot, to raid. Yo, baby. Yo, how you doing? How was your stream? Thank you for your magic, baby. You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, Christy. Hello. Yaha, yaha. so strange. I was playing GeoGuessr. Oh! Wow, there did all the people go. The people who came here disappeared, but no one knows. But you know what? No one knows, but somehow, like when people disappear, the whole increase. So one person means one whole. Scary story. Where is this? This is in Kochi, the seaside. So you can see the mountain and ocean and rocks. Hello, Daniel. How you doing? Steve, how are you doing? How you doing? I'm great. I want to take a photo of her, like it. It's a pretty. Like not, trying to like being taking the photos is actually better. Can be better photos. Oh, she came back. Damn.
We should definitely get some pictures.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah.
thinking.
Yeah.
I want to take photo of you, like
Yeah.
while you're walking. Not thinking about being
okay.
taking the
I'm
photos.
gonna take my mask off.
Yeah. Can you walk around, just not paying attention to my camera?
Now I wish I'd left this damn umbrella.
I can
in the
hold.
car.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, I'll take it from you as soon as I come back. Oh my god. So bad.
You're great tonight. yen, transparent umbrella for 7. Oh, 210 yen is pretty cheap. What's there? What's there? Hi, 007. Oh, she looks nice. Okay. Took a couple of. Hey, Bleakio. I took some photos of you.
I feel like I'm in Breath of the Wild.
Huh?
I feel like I'm in the Zelda game Breath of the Wild.
Oh, you're so into Zelda.
I feel like I'm there.
Yeah, that's good for you.
Here, I'll take the umbrella.
Yeah. Don't forget it. To be honest, I'm on official membership. 7-Eleven is nice. Philippines branches only. Dang, I see. How many 7-Eleven is there?